Welcome to this video on Introduction to Marketing Metrics and Analytics. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify the significance of digital marketing metrics. You will also explore the characteristics and usage of 10 key marketing metrics, including impressions, clicks, click-through rate or CTR percentage, conversions, conversion rate, bounce rate, new users, returning users, search engine results page or SERP, and search impression share or SIS. In digital marketing, tracking and data analysis are crucial for driving performance. With so many different metrics available, it can be challenging at times to determine which ones matter the most. As a solution, you can consider using key digital marketing metrics that allow marketers to make informed, data-driven decisions, improve their strategies, and boost audience engagement. The 10 key digital marketing metrics are impressions, clicks, click-through rate or CTR percentage, conversions, conversion rate, bounce rate, new users, returning users, search engine results page or SERP, and search impression share or SIS. Mastering these 10 important metrics will help drive campaign success. Let's understand how these 10 metrics help marketers make data-driven decisions. The first key digital marketing metric is impressions. It refers to the number of times an ad, post, or web page is displayed on a screen without measuring whether users interacted with it. This metric helps gauge the content reach. Higher impressions indicate that more people have been exposed to the content, increasing the likelihood of remembering it. For example, if a social media ad appears 10,000 times on different users' feeds, it generates 10,000 impressions. Another marketing metric is clicks, which indicates the number of times users have clicked on an ad, post, or link. This metric helps indicate the relevance of your content for users. A higher number of clicks reflects greater interest from the audience. For example, if an email campaign is sent to 5,000 recipients and 500 people click the call to action button, the email would receive 500 clicks. Next, CTR percentage is the percentage of users who click an ad or link after viewing it. It is calculated using the formula clicks divided by impressions, then multiplying the output by 100. This metric helps understand the effectiveness of content in generating interest from the audience. A higher CTR percentage indicates more engaging and effective content. For example, if an ad receives 10,000 impressions and 500 clicks, the CTR would be calculated as 500 divided by 10,000, and then multiplying the output by 100, resulting in a 5% CTR. A conversion is a metric that occurs when a user completes a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an ebook. It helps gauge how many users responded to the digital objectives. The higher the number of conversions achieved, the closer you are to achieving your business goals. For example, if 100 users sign up for a webinar after visiting a landing page, the campaign would record 100 conversions. In addition to conversions, the conversion rate is another marketing metric, which refers to the percentage of users who take the desired action, such as making a purchase, as a percentage of those clicking a link or ad. It is calculated using the formula conversions divided by total visitors and then multiplying the output by 100. It helps assess the effectiveness of digital activities in achieving the set objectives. The higher the conversion rate, the higher the effectiveness and success. For example, if a website receives 1,000 visitors and 50 of them make a purchase, the conversion rate would be 50 divided by 1,000 multiplied by 100, resulting in a 5% conversion rate. Proceeding further, let's look at bounce rate, which refers to the percentage of visitors who leave a website after viewing only one page without interacting with any other content. It helps assess the relevance of the website's content to its visitors. A lower bounce rate typically suggests that the content is engaging and relevant, while a higher bounce rate may indicate issues like poor content quality, slow page loading speed, or a disconnect or lack of interest. For example, if 1,000 people visit a web page and 600 leave without clicking anything, the bounce rate would be 60%. Another key marketing metric is new users, which refers to the number of visitors who are accessing a website for the first time. It is an important metric for marketers to understand the reach and awareness of a brand among new audiences. For example, if a blog receives 3,000 visitors for the first time, it implies that there are 3,000 new users. The next key metric is returning users. These are visitors who have previously visited a website and are returning for more content or purchases. It provides marketers valuable insight into the brand's ability to engage and retain consumers. A higher number of returning users indicates that the website or app has created enough value. For example, 4,000 customers revisiting an e-commerce website implies that there are 4,000 returning users. Let's look at another metric named SERP. It refers to the rank position in search engines for a specific keyword. The primary goal of SEO is to achieve a high ranking on the SERP to increase visibility. It is an important metric in SEO, as monitoring the SERP results over time helps determine whether SEO efforts are improving. An improvement in SERP rankings indicates that SEO efforts and strategies are yielding positive results. For example, if a business ranks on the first page of Google for the keyword best running shoes, it demonstrates a strong SERP position, which increases the likelihood of attracting clicks and traffic. Finally, the last key marketing metric is SIS. This metric is the percentage of times an ad appears in search results compared to the total number of times it was eligible to appear. It is crucial for campaign media allocation, as it helps determine the potential reach of a campaign and its ability to drive additional sales. Campaign managers use SIS along with other metrics to allocate media resources effectively. For example, if a Google Ads campaign had the potential to appear in 10,000 searches but was displayed only 7,000 times, the impression share would be calculated as 7,000 divided by 10,000 and then multiplying the output by 100, resulting in a 70% SIS. In this video, you learned that key digital marketing metrics allow marketers to make informed, data-driven decisions, improve their strategies, and boost audience engagement. The 10 key digital marketing metrics are impressions, clicks, CTR percentage, conversions, conversion rate, bounce rate, new users, returning users, SERP, and SIS. Understanding and mastering these metrics helps drive campaign success.